Property tax is a tax that is usually levied upon an individual's property. Property tax can be observed most commonly in the cases of real estate. The property tax is collected by the tax authority in the region of that respective property's location. This means that the property tax can be collected at various levels, such as country, region, state, or even a municipality. But there are quite a handful of countries that do not impose the property taxes upon their individuals. The main reason why countries would remove the property tax system is to grow economically and financially by attracting foreign investors and property owners. These countries have very low tax rates applicable to properties to no taxes at all. However, there is a stamp duty, which is also known as the real estate transfer tax, in order to collect some money for the government. Stamp duty is a one-time tax and not recurring, and therefore manageable when compared to a traditional recurring annual property tax. So, here are 10 best places without property tax. Number 10. Turks and Caicos. As a British overseas territory with a US dollar-based economy located just 75 minutes from Miami, the Turks and Caicos Islands is widely perceived as a secure destination for buying property. It has established itself as a firm favorite with American, Canadian, and British property investors. Even though it doesn't have a property tax, there is a stamp duty applicable on the property, which is considerably high. The island nation also offers residency through real estate investing. Either it may be an investment or a residential property, Turks and Caicos is one of the best places to own property near the beach. On provinciales, the stamp duty ranges from 6.5% to 10%, depending on the value of the property. Number 9. Cambodia. Out of all the rapidly growing frontier markets in Asia, Cambodia is arguably among the best country for real estate investors and foreigners who want to start a business. Although Cambodian law prohibits foreigners from owning land, they can legally own properties through land-holding companies. Logically, Cambodia does have a property tax. However, it is just 0.01% of the appraisal value. Hence, being that low, Cambodia can also be considered as a country that is free from the property tax. Sometimes the government doesn't even collect the property tax from the people, as it is a very low amount. Due to this reason, most of the property owners don't even bother paying the property tax. The stamp duty for property purchase in Cambodia is 4% on immovable property. Number 8. Seychelles. As an archipelago of 115 islands, it is known for its beautiful beaches, rare animals, and lively tourism industry. Foreign citizens and investors have many reasons for buying property in Seychelles, among which for opening companies, working, or even buying real estate in one of the most appealing offshore destinations in the world. In addition to that, there is no income tax either. Some other major benefits include the exemption of capital gains tax, corporate tax, payroll taxes, etc. However, the stamp duty is a considerably high amount, which is estimated to be up to 7% of the value of the property. Non-residents are also required to deposit money in advance before purchasing the property. Number 7. UAE. The United Arab Emirates, especially Dubai, is considered a tax haven in the world. Not only there is an exemption for the property tax, but there are also other tax advantages on some other things as well. Even though there is no property tax, there is a one-time purchasing fee applicable while buying the property. UAE is becoming the favorite destination for people to own a property because of the tax benefits, very low property prices when compared to other tax-free countries, and the best projects related to real estate in the world. Any person of any nationality, whether based overseas or a resident of UAE, can purchase in the freehold property market in designated areas, which means investors are not required to hold any type of residency or similar permit in order to purchase property. The stamp duty for property purchase in the United Arab Emirates is 4%. Number 6. Dominica. Dominica is one of the beautiful locations in the Caribbean famously known for its environmental beauty. It is also considered to be one of the safest places in the Caribbean among the other regions located there. It is also one of the most preferred countries for buying a second passport. Its citizenship by investment program is one of the efficient ones. The program offers qualifying applicants full citizenship of this magnificently beautiful island in exchange for an investment in designated Dominica citizenship by investment real estate, or alternatively, a contribution to the nation's economy. Dominica doesn't have property taxes. The stamp duty for property purchase in Dominica is 4%. Number 5. Cook Islands. Cook Island is another famous tourist destination located in the Oceania region. Not only is it free from the property tax, but the island nation also doesn't impose a wealth tax or a capital gains tax. This can be considered a great advantage for investors who want to buy property over there. However, it's not easy for a foreign individual to own a property in certain parts, and investors require approval from the government before buying property. Even though it has some exquisite benefits offered in the form of taxes, foreign investors might have to make more effort to own a property in Cook Islands. Additionally, there is no stamp duty for property purchases in the Cook Islands. Number 4. Fiji. Fiji is one of the beautiful countries which is also known as a great tourist destination. People who buy property in Fiji can also easily get permanent residency, which eventually leads to citizenship. The country has a territorial tax system, which means that individuals earning income from sources outside the country don't pay any taxes. Out of many other countries in the world, Fiji also offers real estate investment opportunities at comparatively lower prices, which attracts a lot of foreign investors. The stamp duty for property purchase in Fiji is 3% in the case of the citizens and 10% for the foreigners. Number 3. Georgia. Georgia has been getting a lot of attention recently for its low tax rates and the economic policies it offers to the people. It is also known to be one of the best business-friendly countries in the world. Unlike many countries around the world, foreigners buying property in Georgia receive the same benefits as native Georgian buyers. All real estate sales in Georgia are made on a freehold basis, and you can buy in your own name. There's no need to set up a Georgian company or some other complicated method of owning property in the country. Another major advantage that needs to be taken into consideration is that there are no stamp duty or transfer taxes applicable to the property in Georgia. Number 2. Malta. Located in between Italy and North Africa, this island nation is also one of the best places in the world that is well known for its climatic conditions, shoreline, excellent environment for new startup companies and businesses. It is also one of the most preferred locations for people who wish to relocate, especially expats and entrepreneurs. In order to gain more economic and financial stability, Malta is known to be taking various necessary measures. People who wish to have an EU residency along with some tax-free property can find Malta to be quite an amazing option. The stamp duty for property purchase in Malta is 5%. Number 1. Monaco. Monaco is one of the world's most desired locations to buy property for the ultra-rich. As one of the most wealthiest areas of the world, property prices are very high, and the city-state boasts a prominent concentration of exceptionally wealthy people, and signs of luxury are all around. Residents don't have to worry about capital gains, property, or income taxes when they live in Monaco. If a person wishes to rent their property based in Monaco, they can do it very easily with a 1% tax rate, which is also payable by the tenants. This makes Monaco one of the best places to own a property with no property tax. The stamp duty for property purchase in Monaco usually varies from 4.5% to 7.5%, depending on the circumstances. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more amazing content.